in this play, again, we can start from like the usual starting point. I am shooting for this, okay, to do that. So he says, if you go with both of your hands low under the player's arms, now your response is probably going to go to my face, right? Okay, so I go with both of my arms. Look what my arms just did to her hands. They pushed her hands up off my face, and I go to the face. You could be going under the chin, you could be going to the eyes, but that's the next play. You could be going under the nose. He just says to the face. Okay? So we're here, I'm shooting low, she goes high, so I go high. And bad things happen. Do you? Agreed?
Yep.